Hello, 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 hello. Yes, this morning I was speaking with a friend and she has a cough. You get that dry cough sometime or sore throat. Here's the friend in the kitchen. These are the combination for that. Get rid of that, clean that out. And if you don't have these two, this. But these three together is awesome. Yes, sore throat, that cough that you can't get out. This is it. This is a combination. This is a combination. And you know what also you could add to this? Oop, I should have taken that out. Garlic. If you have fresh garlic or garlic powder, I the peg, because I have the minced garlic, but the peg, this combination I keep in my fridge in a mason jar. I mix it together with the garlic and keep this in the fridge at all time, all year round. I have a mason jar with a combination, something like that coming on. You take a whiff, you just had it. If you can't drink it by itself, just add it to your tea. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.